So this is the panel with Android 13.0 version with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. And this panel comes with an inbuilt camera plus inbuilt mic. So this is one of the advanced features of this panel. So here is my pen. I can choose the color and thickness as per my preference, and in this way I can write anything on the board. If I want to erase, I can put my palm and I can erase it in this manner. Let's suppose if I am writing something and I want this particular content to be converted into the smart text, so I can convert it into the smart text like this. Even if I want to search it on the Google, I can search it directly from here, and colors can also be changed. Then some mathematical tools are available. You can choose the tools as per your preference. Table is there. You can insert the number of the rows and the columns, and you can insert it like this. Whenever you will be writing in this table, the size will be adjusting accordingly as per the content. Then mind map is there. You can use the mind map like this for the classifications. From here I can add my pages. If I want to change the background, so for the background I will be clicking on the menu. Then themes, I can have different colors plus I can customize as well. So in this way I can choose my background. Then import option is there. You can import the images, PDFs or whatever you want to. Save is there. You can save in whatever document you want to. So in this way you can use the whiteboard, right? Then if I talk about another applications, then as you can see, list of the applications are like phone, like Play Store is there, Chrome is there, and all the applications are inbuilt in the panel. If I want to write on the screen, I will take a mark option from here, from the sidebar menu, and I can write on the screen like this. So I can write on the YouTube video, I can write on the PPTs or on the PDFs. So wherever I want to write on the screen, I can always have an option for the mark. Then if I want to split this screening into the two parts, so from split screening option, here it is split screening from the sidebar menu again. I can use two applications at same point of time. Let's suppose on one end I want my whiteboard and on the another end I want my browser. So two applications can be run simultaneously on the same screen by using this split screening option. So this is how the split screening can work. Rest many options are there like screenshot, freeze, calendar, PIP. From picture in picture, that is PIP, you can operate the OBS here, or you can operate your laptop from here, and here you can use your window. So this is the PIP feature when you want to use two operating systems simultaneously. In that case, you can go for the PIP feature.